You know how we like to introduce other gardeners and what they do on this channel, like Pepe Fasos and Marty from Marty's Garden, Brad, Hidden Harvest Grow Lights, and so on. I found a new couple, and they just started about 6 months ago, and their channel's blowing up, and there's a good reason why. They're fantastic. Great couple on the grow. So I'm going to tell you about them, but let's take a quick look at that shard that was in the garden, and then we'll get on to on the grow. Check that out. It's our shard. Remember that tree right there fell on it, and I said I was going to leave it there so y'all could tell that that was the same one. So you can tell that's died, so it's been weeks. And that, I'll link up the video up above. But that was all squashed, and I just left it. Haven't done anything, haven't messed with the container. And look how much these guys have come back. Check out that. We got some neat new leaves. See, that's what you do. See, that one's a little rough. Might get rid of that one. But these, we cut those, eat those, and then this keeps growing. Cut and come again. And that'll last a while, but look how much shard is here. We haven't done any work. Any work at all. Just left it here. On the grow. Alright, let's talk on the grow. Founded by CJ and Mandi out of Lucas, Texas. Basically what they did was took a 20-foot concession style trailer, the ones you kind of use for a food truck, and changed it into kind of a laboratory on wheels for growing. And in there they test and experiment different ways of growing healthy food, and they share it with everyone. So this is really cool. Y'all check out their channel. I have all the links down below, so you make sure you follow them all around. You're really going to be happy with them. Now, one thing that some of you are going to like is that they're very detail oriented. A lot of you have asked me a lot of questions about like weights and measurements and yields, and I don't do any of that. And the reason why is that I want to make it extremely simple so that someone like my mom can just go over and toss some seeds somewhere and grow them and have a little bit of food. And I don't want to get too complicated. But some of you are to the point where you do want to get a little complicated and you do want to be a little detailed. This is a place for you. They are very detailed in everything they do. So if you guys are looking for more specific information on growing microgreens, this is a place for you. Besides just showing you a good variety of microgreens to grow, they do taste tests, let you know what they taste like, but they also do experiments in growing them different ways, like hydroponics versus soil, or different kinds of lighting, or different weights and different times that they're left on, all different things. So really fun channel to watch, lots to learn. I'm not going to tell you too much about them because I want you to go over to their channel and watch what they're doing, and go find them in all the social media, follow them. They're doing really well. They've only been around 6 months, and I think by the end of the year they're probably going to quadruple in size. So get on over there when they're still just beginning. Engage with them. I'm sure if you leave comments, they always answer me back. They'll answer you back if you've got questions. Once they get to have 1 million subscribers, it's going to be a little harder, so get on over there now. So much love to Mandi and CJ. I love that channel. You guys keep doing what you're doing. As for y'all, I got plenty more coming for you. Much love. Till next time. Alright, don't forget, live to inspire. Keep on growing. I love y'all.